Welcome to our channel. We are going to show you how to make a Bengali fish curry that is both sweet and sour. This dish is perfect for any occasion and is sure to please any palate. Let's get started. First, take steaks of rohu fish which has been cleaned and add plenty of salt and turmeric powder. Coat the spices evenly on both sides of the fish and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Heat copious amounts of mustard oil in a pan. Once the oil starts to smoke, add the marinated fish gently into the pan. We will be frying each side of the fish for 3 minutes on high flame. Flip over the fish when one side of the fish is fried. Remove the fish from the pan after it has become crispy on the outside and cook through. For the sweet and sour fish curry, start by frying onions cut into rings and separated in the same oil we fried the fish. Fry them until they are golden brown and fragrant. Now for the sweetness, add sweet mango pickle and mix it in. Next, add a dollop of tomato sauce and stir it in. This will give the curry a tangy twisted flavor. Then add mustard paste for the tart and nutty flavor that clears your nasal passage through its aroma. Mix everything and cook for 2 minutes to let the flavors blend. Add a cup of water and bring the curry to a vigorous boil. Now it's time to add the star of our dish, the fried fish. Gently place them into the pan. To give our fish curry its signature tangy taste, we will squeeze in juice of a whole lemon. Sprinkle in coriander leaves and chopped chilies. Make sure you adjust the salt according to your preference, but remember that the pickles and sauce already have some salt in them. Mix it all and let it simmer for 5 more minutes on medium heat so that the fish can take in all the flavors of the curry. And there you have it, our deliciously tangy, sweet and sour Bengali fish curry is ready to be served. Garnish it with fresh coriander leaves for some added freshness and aroma. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this mouth-watering Bengali fish curry. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and happy cooking.